I had two bridges, both of them were about 30 years old, and one day I started feeling a pain, and I came to Dr. Orenstein, and they examined, and they determined that there is an infection under the bridge, and the teeth have been deteriorating, and between the infection and the swelling, we determined that potentially putting two implants with individual crown was the best solution.
Ilya came to us on two different occasions. Both were for failing bridges. The first time, he had infected teeth, and we had to remove those teeth, let those teeth heal, and then we replaced those teeth with implants. The second time he came, he presented with a failing bridge, also 25 to 30 years old, but on that day we were able to remove the teeth and on the same day replace those teeth with implants.
Looking back, I would have probably preferred to go straight with the implants. Quite honestly, I think it's much healthier, much more comfortable, much more permanent solution that is very unlikely to cause any additional problems, unlike the bridges did. That's definitely my preferred way of solving the problem.
Ever since his treatment, Ilya's gums have healed up perfectly. He's back to chewing on all those teeth without pain and is living a happy lifestyle.
Life is doing great. Every time I come here or come in between, I come basically for cleaning, for routine checkups, and I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem with hygiene. I don't have a problem with any pain or any discomfort. Everything sounds great, and I like coming here because they tell me every time that everything sounds great. I think it's very important to know that you can trust your doctor, not that only they're great professionals, that they're individuals that you can trust in your comfortable ways. And quite honestly, I feel great and very comfortable coming here, and they're great professionals on top of that. They'll do the best that anyone can do.